This guide will help you address audio desynchronization issues in Call of Duty, ensuring a smoother gaming experience. Follow these steps to resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check audio settings. Go to the game's audio settings menu and ensure that the audio output device is correctly selected. Make sure the volume levels for different audio categories like effects, music, and dialogue are balanced. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Visit the website of your audio device manufacturer and download the latest drivers. Keeping your audio drivers up to date can resolve compatibility issues that may cause desync. Step 3. Adjust in-game audio sync. Some games have an audio sync option in the settings. Look for any latency or sync settings and adjust them to see if it improves the audio alignment with the visuals. Step 4. Lower graphics settings. High graphics settings can sometimes cause performance issues, leading to audio desync. Lower your graphics settings to see if this helps improve the overall performance and sync. Step 5. Restart the game and system. After making changes, restart the game and your gaming system. This can help apply the new settings and clear any temporary glitches that may be causing the audio desync. By following these steps, you should be able to improve the audio synchronization in Call of Duty. Enjoy your gaming experience.